everyone and welcome to Portugal in this beautiful sunny day. Today my MN128 completely stock out of the box versus my MN82 4-link custom, brushless outrunner and wheels and tires and shocks, okay? So let's begin right away this comparison. First the MN82. Okay, dry, this doesn't seem to be an issue, okay, very easy to the MN82. Now the MN128. Okay, very nice crawling, very manageable, very controllable. That's like a slightly different approach. Okay. Okay, this rig is struggling. I wasn't expecting this. Okay, not so pretty, but he made it. Now let's try these steps, MN82 first. Awesome, really awesome. Try a different approach. Okay, really cool. Almost, maybe with some weight in the front. No. Now let's try this steep climb. My son is messing around with the MN128. Let's try to do this. Okay, very well. Let's see if I can make it slowly. Always the same throttle rate. Okay, very good. Awesome rig, awesome performance. Time for my MN128. The modulation also very good. No. Here I have to make the same approach than my MN82. Okay. Let's try a different approach here. Okay, very well. Oh. Now let's try this slippery hill. No problem for the MN82, quite an easy one. Let's see if I can make this with my fully stock MN128. The pumpkin of the rear axle is hitting. Okay. Okay. This is quite a heavy rig, maybe this is the issue. Now let's ride slowly as the MN82. It's maybe too much of a left line, maybe to the right. It copes with it better. Let's see. These shocks are really bouncy. Okay, okay. Not as pretty, but he completed as well. What a nice run, what a nice comparison. I really like the performance of both rigs, despite my MN82 being better, okay? Now let's talk about price. So, this rig, 41 euros to buy, 20 euros in wheels, tires and adapters, shocks about 10, the hardware to make the 4-link conversion were about 5 euros, okay, so I had to install a metal drive shaft, about 2 euros. Oh, and the elephant on the room, the Outrunner brushless motor, okay, and electronics. This rig is about 100 to 110 euros, okay. Keep in mind that this doesn't have any weight added, we have to address that in the future. In that regard, is stock. This one, for what it is a really good cheap truck, okay. This cost me 70 euros, almost 71, and stock isn't as capable as this one, okay, because this one is already a lot of upgrades, okay. So this rig, torque is enough. As I've said in the unboxing video and the first run, the torque is more than enough, the power as well, the modulation good, very good for what it is, very torquey. The tires, for stock tires, are good as well, I like it. The shocks are the main downsides on this rig, okay, they are too bouncy, and the weight can be a disadvantage sometimes. Now let's put it on a scale to see how much they weigh. As you've seen, the weight is quite different, the center of gravity also. This is a much lower center of gravity than this one. Despite that, I really liking the MN128, but for now I think that my most capable rig is this one. We'll see, okay? So for today guys, and if you want to see more content like this, please let me know. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I do, and see you next time guys, bye!